Hello humans, welcome to TechTubers. I'm your host and host Jin. Today we are going to discuss about Arduino. So, welcome to Intro to Arduino. Without wasting much time, let's go ahead. So, what is Arduino? Arduino is an open source electronics platform based on easy to use hardware and software. Arduino is a company which makes programmable boards to make DIY stuff. You can say DIY is a do it your own or do it yourself. So what is DIY? DIY is you can just connect some things together and make something new and something easy. You can say when you can create your own home automation system. You can create your own 3D printer using this board. You can make your own RC controller, or you can say RC car, RC plane, anything you can automate, you can just make easily with using these boards. So if you have to make these things, you need one programmable board which is called Arduino boards. So there are some most popular boards available in market like Arduino Uno, Mega, Nano and Duo. These four boards are most widely used among programmers, engineer and non-engineer people also. So let's take a look at Arduino Uno and grab some info about it. So I'm using Tinkercad platform, but if you have physical board, so it is much better. So you can download for description link. So you can see here these pins. These pins are used for input output purpose. You can connect your digital stuff here from 0 to 13 pins, and you can connect your analog stuff in A0 to A5 pins, and you can power them using these power pins 5 volt and 3.3 volt also. So you can see here this IC. This IC is microcontroller. When you upload your program to this board, your program will instruct this IC or this microcontroller to control input output pins according to your program. So after you have to do another work on this board. So you have to clear the first program and upload the another program which you prepare. So for clearing your board, this reset pin is used. You can see here this red button. This red button is a reset button, you can say. When you press this button, it will erase your program from this board and you can upload another program. When you have to upload your program, just you have to connect your USB cable to your PC and to your board, and you can upload easily using IDE. And you see here this black port. This black port is used for the power your board when you have not connected any USB cable with it. So this all are about Arduino Uno board. If you have any query, you can comment down below and stay tuned. In our next video, we are going to learn about how to program Arduino boards and which IDE is used for this. So please subscribe to our channel and like to our channel and share with your friends also.